I see it. I don't. Pickerel. It's a pickerel. Yeah, pickerel like to hang out in this area. That's a really nice pickerel. Oh. Oh yeah. Look at that guy. First fish. Oh yeah. You can get him back in. Well, first fish. There we go. Ooh, I think that's a nice perch. Oh yeah. Oh, yes. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're targeting. Big perch. Look at that. That's like a 13-inch perch. Ringer. We're gonna catch these guys and cook a couple of these guys up. Big son of a bitch. Hit that really hard. There we go. Get him in. That's big, but he's nice. Get him in the stringer. Not a giant, but still a nice fish. Put him on a stringer. That's not a bad fly. Yeah, go clean one. That's not a bad fish. Put him on a stringer. This is something nice. Might be in our pickerel. Yeah, pickerel. Barely hooked too. It was out far. As soon as I cast it. Same size. Look at that. Same size as the other pickerel, literally. Nice one. I want to say this might be, yep, perch. Get him in. There we go. Another nice yellow perchy. Right there. It's a nice perch. Get him on the stringer. Barely hitting it. You can tell it's freaking cold out. Whoa. What the hell?
Perch, nice one.
Oh, yes. That's a nice one. Very nice fish. Look how fat that thing is. Yeah, stocking up for the winter time. Yeah, get him on the stringer. Look at that thing. Holy shit. I'm gonna assume it's a perch. Oh my god, yeah.
Nice perch.
Real. If I can get him in. That's the biggest one of the day right there. That's a really nice perch. Holy shit. That's like a 14-inch perch. I don't know if this is even a keeper or he's just coming at me. Oh. I see him. He might be a keeper. Yeah, what the hell? What do you think? Yeah, it's bigger than the other one I caught. Yeah, nice one. Get him on a stringer. Oh, yeah. Not bad. What do you think? That's not a bad fish. You can still get a good fillet of him. I was letting it sit out there and that thing just thumped it. Sure, he's a big perch. Oh, yeah. Damn. Got a good meal. Hell of a good meal. Look at that guy. Nice fish. Get him on a stringer. Another nice fish. Oh yeah. He's a little smaller, so I'm gonna keep him. Man, you're still gonna go fillet off this son of a bitch. Not the son of a bitch this time. He seems pretty decent. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What a fat bastard. Oh yeah. Get him in the bucket.
You can tell he was a bigger one.
Yeah. He's a little small. Throw this one back for size. Oh yeah. Oh.
That's a nice one, brother.
Oh yeah. Bigger. Look at the stripes on that thing. It looks like a tiger. Look at the stripes on that thing. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's like a really fat thing. That'd be good eating fish. But look how fat that thing is. Wow. Seems pretty decent. Oh yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Wow, holy shit. That thing is fat. Look at the size of that thing. That's a jumbo. Jumbo. That thing probably weighs 1.5 pounds. Look at the size of this thing. Look at that thing. That thing is fatter than. Look at that. Wow. It's one of the fastest perch I ever caught in my life. Wow. You know where he's going. Or maybe she. In the bucket. Throw him back. He's fat. What do you think?
Throw him in there. Yeah, it is.
Oh, that's a nice one. Keeper?
Yep. A big one on right now. Most of them are his. I figured that.
Oh.
It's a better one.
Keep this one.
Moral support. That's a nice one.
Holy shit, look at this thing.
Yeah, it is.
Oh. I think it was a small walleye. These are the big perch. Giant, not even all of them are on the stringer either. Giant things. Wow. This is probably like 10 pounds of fish and probably more. Probably like almost freaking giant things. You know what time it is. I always like to use gloves when filleting fish. The slime, scales, and everything. Sometimes the blade, the gill plates too of the fish, be shocked. They could cut you, so gloves can help out a little bit, but it's just an easier grip on the fish too, so. First fish of many. Boom. Big jumbo perch. Well, and the best thing is to fillet with is a filleting knife, electric one. This is the first time I've ever used it. I got this year, and we had one for about, I don't know how many years, like 10 years. So now I'm finally get to use this thing. So yeah, hopefully this thing will do good, I would assume. All right, so let's get filleting some fish. I'm not gonna fillet right now, but I just want to show you guys what I kind of do. So I go behind the fin right here. Go down only so far until you hit the backbone, and follow the dorsal fin all the way back to here. Flip the fillet over and cut the meat off the skin. So I'm gonna do that right now and show you guys. All right, so the backbone. So now I turn the blade. Good, the eggs in that thing. Wow. Hopefully YouTube does not demonetize me. That's a lot of eggs right there. So that's basically what you do. So I'm gonna fillet these guys up, guys. And don't worry, not every fille's gonna be perfect either. Even this one wasn't that great of a cut. I mean, it's still decent, but I'm telling you, keep doing it, keep trying. That's how it is filleting fish. But let me fillet these guys up. I'll show you some more. One thing I like to do, guys, too, is cut the ribs off right here. So I'm gonna kind of do that to show you guys. Yeah, put it in there. Look, boom, perfect. I'm gonna do, lots more to do too. So I'll be here for a little bit. People have different ways of filleting, but like I just showed you, that's one of my favorite, basically ways to fillet fish most of the time. I don't really do anything else, but just basically behind this fin all the way down, flip it over, like I showed you. That's basically the main way of my way of filleting fish. I know people sometimes go backwards, they go, all different ways, but whatever suits you, that's what you do. All right, guys, got done filleting the fish. There's a good amount. Again, I'm going to give half to the guy we get wood off of. Cook them up. Don't know what yet, but now soak them in cold water. That's important with fish. All right, guys, got the fish prepared. New day. It's a freaking beautiful day. It's like freaking almost 70 degrees out. Cooking the fish now. All I did was I just put lemon juice on it and all seasoning. Very simple. This is one of the simplest ways to cook fish, is grilling it. Grilling it is one of my favorite ways of doing fish, and many others. It's simple. I mean, there's a lot of other things you can do. You can soak them in butter and cook them. I know some people do that. Old Bay. I want to try old seasoning. I like old seasoning to my fish. I was gonna put Old Bay, but I like all seasoning too. Almost the same thing. But anyways, it's very simple, very good way of cooking panfish. We're really anti-fish, really. Actually, so get these guys on the grill here. I put it on low. You don't want to put fish on too high. You don't know. Just keep it low. This won't take long. This will take not long at all. So get the fish on the grill, and yeah, get these guys cooking. Now I got the fish frying on the grill, and it looks good. Like I said, we gave some away to our neighbors too. They're old. They can't really fish too much anymore, so I had to give them some fish. So yeah, but again, one of my favorite ways to cook fish. There's nothing wrong, nothing wrong with doing this. I was gonna fry them, but you know what, grill is kind of healthier too. But all right, give these guys a little long, and yeah, hit it out, and we can eat these bastards up. All right, these guys are pretty much done. You can tell when they're done when they break up pretty easy. That's kind of one way, and you just touch them too. They're hot enough, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is it. That's how we do it. Simple way. There's nothing wrong grilling fish. One of the best ways to do it. One of the things I like to do too is put butter in a little cup and put it in a microwave and melt the butter and use that as a sauce, like almost like you're eating lobster. That's what I like to do with these. It's really, really good. And you garlic fans out there, you can put some garlic in it too and melt the garlic within the butter. So it's really, I mean, I'm not a garlic fan, but it's good. I mean, I'm telling you, it's good. I like the melted butter as a sauce, but overall, this is how we do. I mean, let's go. We'll go.
yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoy this type of video. I like to do more, but if you liked it, leave a like. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.